Hi, you're welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to cut a scrunchie, a medium-sized scrunchie. So let's get straight to the video. So this is the fabric I'll be using for the scrunchie. So I have the length to be 6.5 inches and I have the width to be 20 inches on fold. On open is going to be 40 inches, you can see. So the first thing I'm going to do now is to place the fabric on the right side. It's already placed on the right side, and I'll stitch with 1/2 inch. Then after that, I'll open it up like so. You can see the way I opened it up. Then after that, I'll turn it over like the way I did now. Then the one on top, I'll keep it aside like the way I folded it now. Then I'll work on the other two parts. You can see the way I joined it together, and I'll sew with 1/2 inch. If I want to sew, I'll leave about 1/2 inch space left. So I'll keep sewing like that with 1/2 inch. And as I'm sewing, I'll be dragging it, making sure the one inside is I'm not going to sew it together. So I'll keep sewing till I reach the last place, but I'm not going to cover it up. I'll still leave about 1 inches because I'm going to turn it out. So this is the space I'm talking about, you can see. So I'll use that space to turn, I'll use it to turn it outside. So this is it. This is how it looks like. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to fix the elastic inside. So the length of the elastic, I have about 7 inches. So I'll fix it inside using a safety pin. Then you bring the other end of the elastic out like so. Then I'll back stitch on it. I'll back stitch on it so many times. Instead of back stitching, you can prefer to tie it. Then you tie. Make sure you tie it properly if you are tying it, and if you are back stitching, make sure you back stitch properly. And this is how it looks like. You can see how beautiful it is looking. So the last we are going to do is to close up the open parts. And we are done with the scrunchie. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.